Good morning, children. In previous video, I told you the basic concept of chapter 15, and now we are starting 15.2 exercise. So the first question is, plot the following points on the graph sheet and verify if they lie on a line. These 4 points are given A, B, C, D. First we'll plot these points and then we'll join these points by a line and we'll check whether they are lying on the same line or not. So for drawing these points, first we'll take two perpendicular axes, x-axis, y-axis, and this point of intersection is origin O, positive side, right to 0, positive values of x, and left to 0, negative values. This you can write x dash or minus x. Now above 0 there are positive values of y, and below 0 this is y dash or minus y. You can write negative values of y. And yes, this difference between two consecutive numbers must be same. So we are taking the scale is 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, so now the plot the points. First point is A40. You know, while we write coordinates of a point, then first we write x coordinate and then y coordinate. A40. That means x is 4 and y is 0. So it will touch x-axis at 4. And y is equal to 0 is this. So this will be point A40. Next is 4, 2. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. x4 और y2 से हम perpendiculars line draw करेंगे. जहाँ ये line intersect करेंगे, that will be point B4, 2. Next is 4, 6. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 6. तो y is equal to 6 और x is equal to 4 से हम lines draw करेंगे, dotted line, and where these two lines intersect, this will be point C4, 6. Now the next point is D4, 2.5. X is 4 and y is 2.5. 2.5 is mid of 2 and 3. So this will be D4, 2.5. Clear? Now join these lines and verify whether they lie on a line or not. Now join these points using scale and you can see is all the 4 points lie on the same line. So if all the points lie on a line, then this graph is called linear graph. Clear? So yes, here you will write yes, they lie on a line. Clear? So this was first part. Now one more part we are doing, part C. Now C part is, these 4 points are given K, L, M, N. Plot these 4 points on a graph sheet and again verify whether they lie on a line or not. So we are taking positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y and negative y. Right to 0, positive values of x. Left to 0, negative values. Above 0, positive, and below 0, negative. And this point of intersection is origin O. And the first point is K, 2, 3. 2, 3, that means x is value of x coordinate 2 and value of y coordinate 3. So this point will touch x-axis at 2. So x is equal to 2 से हम एक dotted line draw करेंगे and y is equal to 3. So this will be point K, 2, 3. Next is point L, 5, 3. 5, 3 means x5 and y value 3. तो ये x को 5 पे टच करेगा तो x इज इक्वल टू 5 से हमने एक डॉटेड लाइन ड्रॉ की and y3. So this will be point L5, 3. Now next is M5, 5. X is 5 and y is also 5. This is point M5, 5. N2, 5. x को 2 पे टच करेगा x एक्सिस को, तो x इज इक्वल टू 2 से हमने ड्रॉ की और y इज इक्वल टू 5. 2, 5. This is point N, and it is very necessary to write these coordinates and name of point. Now verify whether the line on a line or not. If we join K to L, then L to M, N to M, you will see these points these are not lying on a same line. So here you write no, they don't lie on a line, or you can say this graph is not a linear graph. If all the points lie on the same line, then our graph is linear graph, otherwise not. Okay, now we do question number 2. Okay, question number 2, this is important question. See, the statement is draw a line passing through 2, 3 and 3, 2. Find the coordinates of the points at which this line meets the x-axis and y-axis. तो फर्स्ट हम ये पॉइंट्स प्लॉट करेंगे, इन पॉइंट्स को एक लाइन से ज्वाइन करेंगे. तो एक लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है जो इन दोनों पॉइंट से पास कर रही है, एंड देन विल टेल कि while we are extended this line, that where this line touches x-axis and y-axis. So first draw the points, that this is point A and next is B. So first point A is 2, 3. X is 2, y is 3. X is equal to 2 है and y coordinate है 3. So this is point A, coordinates 2, 3. Next B point is 3, 2. It will touch x-axis at 3 and y-axis at 2. Point B, 3, 2. So now you have to draw a line passing through these points, and see when you will join these points by a line, this is a line just passes through point 2, 3 and 3, 2. And now see where it touches x-axis and y-axis. This line touches x-axis at point, this is point C, and y-axis at point D. And now you have to write the coordinates. So what will be the coordinates of this point C? Here x is 5 and y coordinate is 0. So it touches x-axis at 5, 0. And D, this is lying on y-axis, and on y-axis there is no value of x, that means x is 0. First we write x coordinate here, x 0 and y 5. So this line, given line, touch x-axis at C point, coordinates 5, 0, and y-axis at point D, whose coordinates are 0, 5. Clear? Don't write it touches x-axis and y-axis at 5, 5 or at 5. No. You have to write coordinates, and coordinates we always write in pair form. We use small bracket. First we write x coordinate and then we write y coordinate. If you are writing it touches at 5, 5, this is wrong. If you are writing it touches x-axis and y-axis at 5, this is also wrong. Clear? So it touches x-axis at 5, 0 and y-axis at 0, 5. Okay, hope it is clear. Now see third question. Third question is, write the coordinates of the vertices of each of these adjoining figures. This question you can do in your book. See, this figure is given and you are to write the coordinates of all these points. So see, first point A. This is point A. X-axis, it touches x-axis at 2, and on x-axis there is no value of y, or you can say y is 0. So coordinates of 2 will be, coordinates of A is 2, 0. Next point is B. So this is point B. If you draw the perpendiculars from point B, see these perpendiculars touching x-axis at 2 and y-axis at 3. So while we write coordinate, first we write x coordinate and then we write y coordinate. So value of the coordinates of B will be 2, 3. Next C. This is point C. This point C is lying on y-axis, and on y-axis there is no value of x. X is 0 and it touches y-axis at 3. So coordinates will be 0, 3. This point O, this is origin. Origin is point of intersection of two number lines, and coordinates of origin 0, 0. Now next is point P. This is point P. If you draw perpendiculars, then it will touch x-axis at 4 and y-axis at 3. The coordinates of P will be 4, 3. Next, this is point Q. If you draw perpendiculars or dotted lines, if you draw, it will touch x-axis at 6 and y at 1. The first x coordinate 6 and then y coordinate 1. Next R. Draw dotted lines. So it touches x-axis at 6 and y-axis at 5. The coordinates will be 6, 5. The next is S. Draw dotted line or perpendiculars on both the axes. This will touch x-axis at 4 and y-axis at 7. Similarly, you can write the coordinates of L, M, K also. This you will do in your book only. Okay. Now question number 4. State whether true or false correct that are false. A point whose x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is non-zero will lie on the y axis. एक पॉइंट जिसका x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है और y कोऑर्डिनेट नॉन 0 है, वो y एक्सिस पे लाई करेगा. यस, इट इज ट्रू. सी है दिस पॉइंट C. कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पॉइंट C, x is 0 एंड y is 3. तो y वैल्यू नॉन 0 है, x कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है? 0 है. तो अगर x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है तो पॉइंट कहाँ आएगा? y एक्सिस पे. अगर y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 होगा तो पॉइंट आएगा x एक्सिस पे. जैसे सी दिस पॉइंट A, कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ A इज 2, 0. y कोऑर्डिनेट है 0, तो ये किस एक्सिस पे लाई कर रहा है? x एक्सिस पे. क्लियर? सिंपल सा रूल है लर्न करने का. जो भी कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है उसके अलावा नॉन जीरो कोऑर्डिनेट जो है उस पे जो है पॉइंट लाई करेगा. अगर x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है तो पॉइंट y एक्सिस पे आएगा. y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है तो पॉइंट x एक्सिस पे आएगा. See in second questions we had second question, this point C 5, 0. Here y coordinate is 0 and C is lying on x axis, and coordinates of D 0, 5. X coordinate is 0, D is lying on y axis. So if x coordinate 0, point will lie on y axis. If y coordinate 0, then point will lie on x axis. See the second part, a point whose y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate is 5 will lie on y axis. This is false. y coordinate 0, x coordinate is 5. x coordinate non-zero है, that means point किस पे आएगा? x axis पे आएगा. तो this is false. Point will lie on x axis. Next, third is the coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. Yes, coordinate of origin. Origin is point of intersection of two number lines, and where these two numbers are intersect, here x की value भी 0 और y भी 0 है, तो coordinates of origin 0, 0. Clear? So this was your exercise 15.2. Today you will complete this exercise. Question number 1 and 2. This you will do on graph only, and use separate graph for each part. For A, B, C, 3 graphs you will use for first question and then next graph for second question. Clear? Okay, so complete this exercise.